Hi, my name is Joan Rodriguez, and this is my AT implementation project. The activity that I'll be teaching is a life skill. It's for the client to learn how to complete an after-school activity schedule. The goal is that they complete all of the activities in the schedule before 8 p.m. and we'll know that the client is able to complete all of these independently if they can do it independently across 10 consecutive school days. The student will be DN. He's an 11-year-old boy in 6th grade. He has an autism diagnosis and is receiving ABA treatment for noncompliance and vocal stereotypy. He has strengths in his motor, language, play, and academic skills. He struggles with executive function and cognitive skills, so he sometimes struggles with his time management and follow-through and planning a task or an activity. But he enjoys playing with his sister, who is a toddler age. He plays with electronics like his iPad, laptop, and his cell phone. He also enjoys Roblox, watching and creating YouTube videos, and creating memes online. The environment that this task will take place is in the home setting, so he'll get them done in his living room, kitchen, and in his bedroom and bathroom. Some things to consider are his family dynamics. He lives with his parents, his mom and dad, and his older brother, and a younger sister who is a toddler age. She enjoys playing with him and getting all of his attention, so that can be distracting for him sometimes. Also, when after school, it's either his parents or his grandparents supervising him. So DN gets along great with his grandfather, but he has trouble communicating with his grandmother, so he tends to have more noncompliance and vocal stereotypy with her. So that can distract him from getting his work done too. The task that needs to be done are to follow the after-school activity schedule and complete everything by 8 p.m. Includes completing his homework, which will be written in his agenda, eating dinner that his parents or his grandparents served to him, preparing for a shower, taking a shower, and cleaning up after his shower. So DN doesn't have to complete everything on this schedule in order except for everything that involves taking a shower. Some AT tools that could help him complete this activity include an alarm clock that he can set like about 15 minutes after he gets home from school to remind him that like, hey, I need to get started on this activity schedule, and a timer that can show him how much time he has left until 8 p.m. Also, he can use a measuring spoon in the shower. That'll help him measure how much shampoo or body wash he needs to get the shower done. Lastly, he can use a piece of paper as a sign or a sticky note that'll remind him to not engage in behaviors so that he can stay focused on his tasks. So the custom AT tool that I created is an activity schedules board right here. So it has pins with the activities listed on them. So like complete homework and all these other things. On the left side of the board, it has a to-do list. So when he gets home, all of the activities will be on the left side. Once he completes the activities, he will move the pins to the right side, to the side that says finish. So he'll flip it over and move it here. So let's say he eats dinner, so he'll have to flip it over to this side. At the bottom of the board, it says I am working for, so that his parents can write down in the morning before they leave for work or before DN comes home from school. They'll show him, they can write down what reward he can have for completing everything. So this is a great visual to remind him of what's left to do and how much is done. And it also just generally reminds him when he sees it from when he gets home from school that he has this activity schedule to complete. Thank you.